Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vancouver Financial Network. Today is October 24th, 2020. My name is Ali Safi. Thank you for staying in. As we had very choppy market last week, it was very volatile just because of everyone knows that it was just all about stimulus package and the lots of political discussion between Republicans and Democrats, and we have 12 days before election, and also we had second round or the final round of the debate between President Trump and Vice President Joe Biden. So it was lots of there was lots of volatility into the market. Still, SPX or S&P 500, which is the major indices for the stock market. That's what I believe, because it's going to be 500 companies into the market, and it's gonna represent the sentiment of the market general and indices general. Daily chart was bullish, weekly chart still was bullish, and monthly chart was bullish as well. And Friday, major indexes finished the session slightly higher by the closing bell, much like on Thursday it happened. Although we had very choppy session, lots of going up and down, as politicians to continue, as I said, to negotiate another possible stimulus package. The big winner was Russell 2000. As we are long into Russell 2000 position, it was higher like by 0.58%, and SPY, which is volume for S&P 500, was extremely light volume, just 49 million, and that's very low, folks. That's very low, below 50 million. But as I've emphasized lots of time, light volume usually favors to the upside, and it did it just last week. So far, all the major indexes have held above September 22nd, which is a very major pivot point for the market. This close was positive for near term, but close below September 24th could make very ugly for the market and could just signal much steeper decline. The negative Astro, by the way, some of you folks know that I'm really interested in Astro. We have very interesting things. Now we have negative Astro with positive Astro at the same time. And as you can see in the chart, one negative news is coming, and then another positive news is coming. And then it's kind of like a fighting between bulls and bears. And just I have to say, bull took the position of last two trading sessions. And we need to know that we are approaching to the election 12-day, as I said, 11-day window. So still we are in a cautious side, and the market could still get bumpy and choppy and very volatile into November. And we expected more volatility and choppiness into November, and this still can get into the election day as well. So be careful of that. But I think it's enough like a brief explanation what happened last week. But let's go to chart, see what chart tells us exactly. Okay, let's start with S&P 500 daily chart. Here is a very nice pullback to 3,400. But as you see above, just 50-day SMA, price retrace back, and be tons of time actually in previous video, even last week analysis, I told you guys, this is very major resistance support here around 3,400. And look what happened to the market just on on Thursday, price is getting back to the 34. The price low is going to be 34.10, and then retrace back all the way up and bounce back all the way up with this nice hammer price action, and as you see, stochastic here is in I believe stochastic is in, oh, I can't see my stochastic here, guys, sorry. I gotta check out. Okay, this better. Stochastic is above 56%, which is still in momentum, bullish momentum. And RSI actually shows above a 50, which is fine. Nothing wrong with chart, nothing wrong with price action. And we hold above 20, 50, and here we go, 200. So, and here is a crossover between 220 and 50, which we were in the bear side, but still we had crossover here, which is very, very bullish sign. However, if we get through, we are in this red candle here. We need to close, just let you know, we need to close above 34.76. If we close on daily basis above 34.78, that's going to be a bullish side, and that's going to be a reversal happening, and probably upside to all-time high here. That's what I'm saying, all-time high here. Even we can break through this high to this all-time high here. So we will see how things actually are going to be unfolded. Let's go to H4, which is very, very important for me, and H4 shows very, very nice bullish consolidation here, and I like this dragonfly doji here, and I like this confirmation. Still, we had resistance here about 34.68, which is going to be a minor, but here you see, if we draw this trend line like this, we closed above it, but some people can argue here is the trend line. All right, fair enough. So we need to close above 34.68 on 4 hours chart. Then we're gonna say we are breaking through this red candle here, and we are engulfing completely this candle. We are above bearish trend line. We are above 50 SMA, which is very, very important. And we are above 38% Fibonacci here from this low to this high. And that's why I believe if we break through above 34.60 or 34.70, we're gonna go to the higher side to test this high 3500, 3550, which is very, very magical number, and it's gonna test 3600 right away. So let's go to Nasdaq. What's happening to Nasdaq? Nasdaq is let's go to daily, by the way. All right, so here is the daily chart. Daily chart same as here, like S&P 500. And as you see here, Nasdaq is showing like very, very nice shadows here, which shows like a bear side is on the weak side. And as we get to the end of the week, we see these shadows actually are getting longer and longer, and price wants to hold itself above 11,655. And as far as we are above this low, which is it's gonna be 11, let's say 11,500. As far as we are above this 11,500 and we are above this support area, should be fine, and nothing wrong with chart. Let's go to Dow Jones. Dow Jones Industrial. This is weekly chart, by the way. Let's go to daily. Dow Jones Industrial actually shows the same. We have hammer here, although we didn't have confirmation. We just followed through on Friday. We just closed below Thursday high, which is not a good sign. However, this is higher low. This is higher low, and we are above 20-50 moving averages. The next upside level is going to be 28,800. That's going to be a major resistance here. This is the high for Dow. Still, Dow is below its all-time high here. And my target for Dow is this here, 30,148. That's going to be my ultimate target for probably this year. So we're gonna see that how things are gonna get unfold. 33,000, that's gonna be massive rally. I don't know, probably a stimulus package happen or something like that. But here we have a nice reverse head and shoulder, and this is like a bullish consolidation. Let's see how things are going. Let's go to let's go to Russell 2000, and then I'm gonna finish this analysis. Russell 2000, you see, this is the best indices among those indices into the market. This is the best index. So we had this nice one white soldier on the bullish consolidation. Confirmation is above. This is fantastic, guys. The upside target is gonna be here, and this is my box, and it's been drafted like from last week. Still, I believe that it's gonna go there, and we are long here. We are long here. I believe, I don't know exactly what's the number because there are lots of trades that I have opened, but we are long here. We are in the money now nicely. We didn't get stopped out, and we are going to test this target first, and just be patient and make sure that you take a profit at the right time, because market is very volatile, probably just going touch the target and then coming back down. Okay, guys, see you on the chart next week. And if you like these videos, please like it, please comment for us, please make sure that ask your questions, and please subscribe and introduce our channel if you like it to your friends, to your ones. Okay, thank you guys, have a good weekend, bye bye.